How to easily backup and restore games installed from Epic Games Store, Gizbot News. Epic Games Store offers games like Fortnite and it is around 32 gigabytes in size. So downloading a file as big as this will consume a lot of bandwidth and time. Not just Fortnite. Games like GTA V, which was free for a limited time, is around 60 gigabytes. And downloading this on multiple devices will also consume a lot of time and resources. Here is one of the easiest methods to backup and restore games from Epic Store to multiple computers with ease. With this procedure, you can move all your game data without using the internet. Depending on your setting, Epic Games Store installs the game in a specific folder and by default. The game will be installed in C program files, Epic Games, GTA V. Click on the folder and select Copy. Now, paste the folder to the desired location. If you are planning to restore the game to an external PC, then copy these files to an external hard disk and make sure that it has the required amount of free storage. On the new computer, either download and install Epic Games Store, or if it is already installed, just open the app and sign in using your credentials. Now, go to the library and select GTA V and select the path where you want to install the game. As soon as the download begins, wait for the initialization process to complete. When the installing window appears, cancel the download and close Epic Games. Now, go to the new GTA V folder created by Epic Games and copy the file, and if prompted, click on Copy and Replace option. This option will remove the already existing files and will replace it with the backup that you have created before. Once the copying is completed, open Epic Games and click on the resume. At this stage, it will start scanning the files and verify the authenticity of the game. Even if some files are missing, Epic Games will automatically download those files and replace them with the corrupted files. By keeping the backup on an external storage device, you can install GTA V on multiple computers. Do note that, as there is no official way to backup and restore games on Epic Games, this process will work for all the games like Fortnite or any other game that you have bought from Epic Games Store. To stay updated with latest technology news and gadget reviews, follow Gizbot on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and also subscribe to our notification text source, gizbot.com.